Aloha! Welcome to a quick tutorial on industrial craft 2 basic electricity generation. So we're going to start with the furnace. You take 8 cobblestone, make a furnace. The furnace is then converted into an iron furnace. You can do so by putting your furnace here, placing iron ingots around it like so, becomes an iron furnace. Iron furnace looks like this. Also, you can take 8 iron ingots to create the same furnace if you have plenty of iron. Next, the iron furnace is converted into a generator in this pattern. Iron furnace at the bottom, 3 refined iron, which is normal iron ingots resmelted, become refined iron, and then an RE battery, and it doesn't matter if it's empty or not. The RE battery is made in this fashion: 2 tin ingots, 2 tin ingots, copper cable, insulated, and 2 redstone make an RE battery. This pattern becomes the generator, and it looks like this, very much like the iron furnace, so don't get confused. The macerator. Next we have the macerator. Consists of a machine block, which is actually 8 refined iron, not iron. That's a mistake. This refined iron, there's 8 of them, becomes the machine block. You have an electronic circuit, which is 3 copper cable on either side, 2 redstone and 1 refined iron in the middle, or you can place it in this pattern. Either pattern will work. So you take your electronic circuit, your machine block, 2 cobblestone, 3 flint, and that becomes your macerator. The electric furnace, which is 2 redstone with an iron furnace in the middle with an electronic circuit on top, becomes the electric furnace. The extractor, machine block, electronic circuit, and 4 taps, 2 on either side, and the tap is made with wooden planks in the shape of a tap. The tap cannot have been used. If the tap has been used, it'll have a damage bar, and it cannot be used in this recipe. It has to be a brand new tap. Those are the basic machines. We will now go over their placement. You take the generator, and you have several options here. We're going to place the generator. The other machines can be placed around the generator. Any machine or appliance that's next to or attached to a generator will draw energy from it. Those are 3 machines that we just looked at. The macerator shows a 0 energy status. The electric furnace shows a 0 energy status. And the extractor shows 0 energy, as well as the generator here. So, what's our best fuel? Well, we can use coal, but the fuel I recommend, at least until it's changed, take 3 sticks, 3 wooden planks, put the sticks in a tripod formation, and the 3 planks on top makes the scaffolding, 16 scaffold. Now when we first put the scaffold in here, you see no generation because each machine is drawing power and filling its own little reservoir. So let's put some more scaffolding in here. Each machine should be filling. That one's full. That one's full. Those machines are now ready to operate at full capacity, and the generator is building its own capacity. We'll go over the actual function of each machine at a later date, but that is how you generate electricity through a normal generator. Now, in addition, you can set your machines up in this fashion. The generator next to what is called a bat box. It already has a power level. When you burn items in the generator, the bat box will absorb and store the energy, a much larger reservoir. And then they're connected by cable to the appliances, which we actually have a compressor here in the front. These are all have energy inside and are ready for use, connected by cable to the bat box. The other way of transferring energy, if I can find one, is the RE battery. Oh, got one on me. So if we put the RE battery in the generator, the energy is drawn from the generator and stored in the battery. In addition, I can burn more items and the energy is transferred into the battery until it's full. Let's put a couple more in. Let's set up, let's say, the macerator. And let's put some ore inside. Let's put some iron ore. And if we put some in, we notice nothing happens. It doesn't function. If it were next to a generator, it would work, but what we can do is put our battery in here in the energy slot, and it will now provide energy. The machine will function, and the battery's energy is reduced. So in this way you can carry supplies of energy, because here's the other issue. If you were to break this bat box to put it in your inventory, all the energy is lost. The energy is only stored in a battery. That concludes our basic tutorial of Industrial Craft 2, Energy Generation and Usage. Thank you for watching. Aloha and mahalo.